Many people think if I had worn a face mask, I wouldn't have caught the coronavirus. This is fake news, often promoted by various media, and perhaps those looking to profit from selling face masks. As James Egerton puts it, a fact-based worldview should cut through noisy panic and hysteria like a warm knife through butter. So let's look at the facts. Will face masks keep me safe from the coronavirus? Face masks are useful only if people actually have the coronavirus. If they have it, they can be useful to reduce the possibility of someone passing it on because they catch the droplets when they sneeze or cough. However, they are not effective in reducing it significantly if you just wear them and you're well yourself. Therefore, to correct our initial statement, if I had worn a face mask, it wouldn't have stopped me from catching the coronavirus. Let's analyse this third conditional sentence with 6 questions. Did the speaker wear a face mask? Are we talking about the past? Did the speaker catch Covid-19? Is this situation real or imaginary? Would wearing a face mask have helped the speaker? Is it possible to change this situation? Did the speaker wear a face mask? No. Are we talking about the past? Yes. Did the speaker catch Covid-19? Yes. Is this situation real or imaginary? Imaginary. Would wearing a face mask have helped the speaker? No. Is it possible to change this situation? No. Notice the structure of the third conditional, also known as the past unreal conditional. If plus past perfect, had worn, would have plus past participle or verb 3, wouldn't have stopped. Here, you can describe what you would have done differently or how something could have happened differently if circumstances had been different. How might you complete this third conditional sentence? If we'd stopped all flights to China. Comment your suggestions below. Here's the impact according to LBC, leading Britain's conversation. If we had stopped all flights to China, that would have delayed things probably at most by about 5 days. What do you reckon? To know more about fake news associated with COVID-19, check out James Egerton's inspiring blog in the description below. If you're interested in the first conditional, watch this video, or to watch 20 words associated with COVID-19, click here.